So I'm gonna drop this off. You guys, for you guys to be a second with me, we'll figure out what's going on. Taking all the signs, sleeping in the car here overnight. See other cars that are here. Boy, man, to pick me up. Find out tomorrow. STI. Nice. Tomorrow, what's going on with the car? Hopefully, it's nothing major. Mine, the car drives 100% perfectly fine. Boost fine. Hopefully, like I said, it's just oil fill. We know it definitely needs an alignment. That's got to get done. And whatever that loud stirring sound is, fix that bullshit. So, again, we'll fast forward for y'all. It'll be seconds. We're back and everything is fixed up. We'll go over. I actually have to go to work. We got all fixed up. Thanks to all the science. I'll tell you guys what happened in a minute. Again, I gotta go to work. The sound, that little crazy sound, I'll tell you what that is, etc. Makes sense, but still should have been caught the first time. But thanks to all the science, we got me all fixed up. Next thing we have to do is I do have a steering rack. We'll talk about that in a second. Again, like I said, paid a lot of money already so far. I'm gonna head to work. Again, probably next clip you guys to see, I'll be off work. I can talk about what it was, what was making that sound, and what was causing it to obviously pull into left was the alignment. It's we did an alignment, got that fixed up. But yeah, hit you guys back. Yeah, just to show you, there it is. Nice and quiet, no sounds, as it should be. Woo! Thank goodness, that sounds too much. Now I hit up with the bird. Heck yeah. Alright. So this car's worked, the car's back together. Everything's changed out. The sound was the power steering pump. You see there's the height of it now. Way better than what it was. The car drives way better than what it did. Actually, at the time of filming this, I got all the pieces I'm talking about. They came in finally. So, we're going to decide, we're going to go ahead and install it. I'm waiting for the EVAP box to come in. Those two codes, the P0055 codes, P0455, 456 codes. I think it's for the EVAP box. Yes, I did replace the EVAP box a while ago, but it's bloated. The box blew up, got fat somehow. So they're saying that it was working now, obviously, because the box is bloated. There you go. So waiting for that to come in. Probably when that comes in, I might go ahead and have them go ahead and install this other piece. I also got another piece for the front. You guys have to see a little bit later on. So if you guys have any questions, please post them down below. Again, like I said, I'll show you guys this little endeavor, power steering and sound, cost me, well, you're gonna see it. I usually post everything up. But again, the cost of daily driving a actual performance built car. You know, in general, it's not cheap just to build this thing. One day I guess I'll do a video on how much I put into this thing, and it's quite a bit. It's more than what I paid for it, obviously with all the mods and stuff. But if you want a daily drive, or actual, turbocharged car, built car, I should say, there are gonna be associated maintenance cars. Now I'm not paying maintenance like every month, but this car hasn't been shit. This car hasn't been out of signs in a while. What, 6, 7, 8 months, something like that. So it's about due for some type of service. It have to be out of suspension and normal wear and tear parts going out, like the power steering pump, etc. So again, if you have any questions, please post them down below. Anything at all, let me know, guys. See you guys next video. I'm out. Peace. Look how cute this is. Look at that side trying to run away from me. Look at that side. Look at that, so cute. Son, I'm boosting, son. You're not. Trying to run away, that's cute. So cute. There it is. Too bad. Yeah, if it's not crazy noticeable, then I'll be okay with it. One baby issue was it.
I just got to get to a central.
I got you, yeah, right here. It's a little bit, that's the bezel. The screen ends like right here, so I'm gonna put some content on it and make sure that it's not screwed up in that corner. There you go, right there, see it right there. You won't be able to see that shit once it's on the wall anyways. You have to be right up on there to see it. I want to make sure the content's good.
Gotcha. Okay, let's get back out of here. But it might look different once you get up on the wall, wherever you're sitting at, So,
Oh, it's gonna be it's gonna replace the
well,
82.
depending on that how that light comes in, you know, when it hits the screen.
Yeah, my other OLED, I don't even use. It's funny because you can see the big screen TVs and like, oh man, TV, the picture looks great. I got this little small 55-inch OLED. That's back when they had 3D, so mine's got all the features. I'm like, that TV shits on everything in here. They're like, there's no way, man. I turn it on, play the same content, it's not even close. It was like, what the? I said, dude, there's no competing with OLED. The only reason why I got the other screens because, used to, OLED was too expensive. We get bigger in sizes, like, 9,000, 10. I was like, I'm not paying 15 grand for a TV, And then special bonus at the end of the video. got the OLED right there. Got a new TV. Out with the OLED and with the new OLED. Yeah. The new big screen OLED. Mounts high because OLED's mount to the bottom. But yeah, it was time for an upgrade. Definitely time for an upgrade. Heck yeah. Again, I want to show you how I'm going to go ahead and install these 3 parts. Actually got a plug on my way to the shop right now. So they're going to inside this car and install these 3 parts. Obviously one of them is the new hood latch. That was, I guess, smoke or whatever. And then the EVAP box. Trying to get rid of these cell lights to this 4x6 L code. So I'll get to the shop. I won't show you the feature. I'm extremely tired. But we're going to get it installed. Next thing we know, the parts are going to be in the car. And, hey man, get ready for the car show. It's going to be extremely short clip. I have another parts. That's a special part. You guys will find out in the next clip, you guys. That's the bumper quick disconnect. That's the new hood latch. And open up all the parts, been working busy. All the signs, Subarus, all the signs, dropping it off, getting it done. You guys will see this a little bit later. For you guys, be a second. For me, it'll be like a whole day. But let's drop this car off and let's get these new parts installed. Yeah.